والله شوشة.
And there goes a couple neighborhood. Oh wow. There goes that fence. There goes a whole bunch of stuff. And there goes a trash can. There goes a house of some sort.
Door closed. Keep the door closed. Whoa!
Where's Viv?
Whoa! What? Where's Viv? Where's Viv? Alright, you good? You good? Oh my God. Jake, are you okay?
This clip is from someone who was actually there when huge waves hit Roy Namur Island. People online are calling it a tsunami, but it wasn't. It happened because of wind, tides, and the swell direction. Thankfully, everyone is okay. Multiple buildings collapsed after a 7.5 magnitude earthquake hit eastern Taiwan. This video is from the 2024 incident. This earthquake just lasted 30 seconds in Vanuatu, but that was enough to terrify everyone around. Massive black smoke rises over Rome in 2022. Fire incident. Footage resurfaces online. Moment of panic on the water as a strong earthquake shakes the area, sending boats rolling in all directions.
Yeah, that's the crazy thing. That is why I'm amazed. That is why I'm amazed.
A large fire breaks out, engulfing multiple buildings in Ter Aar, Netherlands. People on a highway bridge capture the moment a strong earthquake hits, causing cars to wobble, sway, and dance across the roadway.
No,
Wait lang, Lord Jesus Christ, please. Please, makatras ka pa. Dili na. Itawag, halito na. Lord Jesus Christ, Lord Jesus. Lord Jesus Christ. Shit, Lord. Lang, kusog ka ayo, ang linog lang. Lord Jesus. Relax. Lord Jesus Christ. Relax. Lord Jesus.
An earthquake triggers a tsunami in California, and the result? 26 million in chaos, plus some very wet flip-flops.
That's gonna come whacking right back up here if it gets under.
A massive hailstorm hit Denver in 2017, smashing windows and causing widespread damage. Wyoming averages about 10 to 12 tornadoes per year. Tornado season typically runs from May through August, with June being the peak month.
A freaking out child. Get your ass back.
Oh, you have another
No.
The last tornado I saw was on your farm.
I know. This is awesome.
Dad.
I know. I've got the camera on it.
Oh my god, it's a fucking photo right in front of us. I know.
If it starts getting too close, though, we need.
Back in 2016, Hurricane Dolores hit Uruguay like, I'm here to make history. And it sure did, becoming the most destructive hurricane the country's ever seen. Powerful tremors shook a Philippine airport, and everyone inside got a very unexpected wake-up call. Travelers scrambled, luggage went flying, and even the airport staff looked like they were starring in a disaster movie. The magnitude 6 earthquake caused about 30 million pesos in damage, proving that Mother Nature isn't shy about reminding us who's really in charge. On this home security cam, we see a sweet old lady just chilling with her cat. Calm, peaceful, nothing out of the ordinary. But then, out of nowhere, she hears a strange sound and suddenly goes full-on flash mode. And it's a good thing she did, because a huge rock comes crashing right through her front door, destroying everything in its path, right where she was sitting. Talk about instincts. Grandma just outsmarted a boulder. Luckily, everyone's okay, even the cat, who probably thinks it just survived level 10 of Jumanji. You might think fog isn't a real natural disaster, but on a busy highway, it's a whole different story. Fog rolled in over this bridge and turned it into a bumper car arena. There were more than 40 cars involved and 6 different crashes. It was complete chaos, but somehow no one was hurt, just a lot of insurance calls and some very shaken drivers. During the summer of 2024, a tornado touched down directly over a Russian airport, causing extensive damage estimated at over $2.4 million.
And from the ground, it looked even more terrifying.
روسيا محمد يوصل هنا. انا مصور فيديو.
These workers spotted trouble and made a mad dash for it, probably the smartest sprint of their lives. Just moments later, a mountain's worth of rock landed exactly where they'd been. Good thing they've got legs. Sometimes human activity provokes nature's wrath. In Myanmar 2024, a water reservoir linked to jade mining ruptured, sending a torrent rushing down the mountain and triggering a deadly flood. In Scotland, a nighttime flood turned the streets into a watery dance floor, and the houses were leading. This guy's a storm chaser, and he actually caught a tornado being born. Talk about being there for the delivery. Look at this little spinny baby. If you know what this phenomenon is called, drop it in the comments and help everyone out. And if you enjoy watching wild natural events and unbelievable real-life moments like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more.